Alright, welcome back everybody for another unboxing. This item came loose, so I just used one of the boxes, so we're gonna make an unboxing out of an unboxed item. Alright, so let's see what it is. Mystery box, man. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use the force to open it. Check it out. Damn, homies, use the force. Alright, see what we got? Another tool, another device, another gadget, another human extension. Alright, oh, super heavy duty battle tank LED headlamp. Rechargeable. Holy smoke, look at this tank. Holy smokes, look, it swivels. Alright, this goes into your forehead, this plate. It's nice and stretchy. Cool. You could decrease it, increase it right here. Right? This one right here is what does it. You could increase, decrease. Bigger head, smaller diameter, bigger diameter, circumference. Yeah, so check it out, my piece. Pretty good, man. Pretty heavy duty. So nice and flexible, nice and comfy. Oh, magnetic too. It has two magnets. I believe you could detach this. Yes, you can. You can detach it. So, wow. Okay, so here's a little port to charge it. The USB, right? USB-C. Wow, and it has a bunch of these. So it has 3 dials here, then it has a bunch of dials here. It has 9 of them across here. It has 2 more dials here, one here, a white one, and then most likely this is like a red one. And then you have, I guess, your power on button. This is dead. Oh no, look, oh crap, it's on. Ooh, it's charged. Okay, so there you go. You see the dials right there. You can count them. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me press it again. That's it. It only has 2. Okay, so what about this one? What does this button do? Oh, cool. I didn't know you had a bunch of red ones and a bunch of orange ones. Nice. Yeah, this thing is badass, man. Alright, so let's turn on. Oh, what's going on? Hold on. Oh, did you guys see that? These flash real quick. Alright, let's press it again. This one again. Okay, what does that mean? Let me hold it now. See if it does anything. Nope. Let me press this one now. Nope. Let me hold it. That's kind of weird. What's going on? And then right here it tells you if it's charged. Cool. Right? Hold on. This thing's kind of weird. What happened? Did I mess this thing up? I don't know. It doesn't have a manual or anything. I don't know what brand is it. Oops. But man, this thing is pretty hardcore, and it's heavy duty. It's like a tank, like a little tank headlamp. So I guess I'm gonna charge it, my peeps. Yeah, I'm gonna charge it because it's dead. That's all the juice it had. Alright, so that's it, my peeps, for this video. We got a badass tank headlamp, bunch of settings, magnetic, and it's Type-C USB fast charging. Todo chingón, all badass. Todo John Wick. Alright, everyone. Oh, smash that thumb. Give it 2 thumbs up. Like it, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see see you guys for the next unboxing video. Be a producer, not a consumer. Alright everyone, thanks for the support. Follow me along the journey. Peace, love,